If you've got an integrated single or double oven, there is a good chance you should be able to remove the door. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the door for cleaning purposes on several different makes. Just before I start, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up. On the majority of Bosch, Neff and Siemens ovens, all you need to do is to open the door fully, and you'll see there is a little catch just at the bottom here. On either side, just move that up so it's in the up position, then push the door up until it's in that position so it just sits naturally there, and then all you need to do with both hands, just pull the door and then the door's removed. And then to put the door back on, it's everything in reverse. So you just locate the door back onto the hinges and then push it all the way back down, and both sides just push the tabs back down, then you're ready to go. If you've got a Neff slide and hide oven like this, then it is possible to remove the door on most of the models that Neff have produced over the years. It is a lot more complicated, so I would only remove the door if you really have to, and to do it, it is in the manufacturer's instructions. If you've got a Hotpoint single or double oven like this, then the process is a little bit different to the Neff, Bosch and Siemens. So again, open the door fully, and you've got two metal tags in here. All you need to do is open those fully, and then push the door up until it's in that position, and then just gently pull it out, and then you've got the door removed. And again, the process is exactly the same to put the door back in, but in reverse. So just locate the door back in that position, push it back down, push the tabs back up, and then you're ready to go. On a Beko oven like this, the process is a little bit more complicated, and you will need a flat-headed screwdriver for this. All you need to do is to open the door fully, and you'll see you have got a catch at the bottom here, and all you need to do is to put the screwdriver in, and just to gently and be really careful to just ease the catch that way. Do that both sides. Like that, and then you can just put the door up into that position and then remove the door like that. And the process is exactly the same. To put the door back on, just locate the door back onto the hinges, bring the door all the way back down, and then with your fingers, you shouldn't need a screwdriver for this, just pull the tab back up so that it's in the locked position. Do that both sides. It can be a little bit stiff when you're doing it first time, but once you've done that both sides, then the door can shut. And if you've got a Blomberg double or single oven like these, it's exactly the same process as the Beko one I've just showed you, because essentially Beko and Blomberg are the same company. Now if you didn't want to remove the full door on the oven, there is a good chance you may be able to just remove the glass for cleaning purposes. And on this Bosch one, it's quite easy. All you need to do is just press these two tabs on the side, remove the plastic cover, put that to one side, and then the glass will just pull out like that. Now you do need to be careful of the door springing back at you, because obviously with the extra weight, that's going to help to bring the door down, so you don't want it springing back up at you. But that is the way to remove the glass from the door. Now there are quite a few different manufacturers of ovens, and I think what I've done is I've scratched the surface on some of the different brands, mainly that we cover, on how to remove the door. But fundamentally, the process in which you remove the door, although it varies slightly between different brands, is pretty simple, and hopefully it will help you to remove the door on your oven. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to remove the oven door on your single or integrated double oven. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe, leave any comments below. I do always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad about the video, but hopefully by showing you some of the manufacturers that we stock, then it should give you a good idea on how to remove the oven door on your oven if I've not covered it. Anyway, thanks for joining me today.